we just checked in. We're gonna give you guys a quick tour of, forgot the name of it, but it's a full apartment here. This is gonna be our room for the night. Full closet, big enough to hide full Mexican family in here. Apologize for the inappropriate joke. Right off the rips. Brahma. Canadian furniture. We got a full device over here, alarm clock, works. Uh-oh.
I just had it. I took a picture out here.
There it is.
They love it.
Full bathroom.
They love it.
I like the hotel myself.
Look at this run. How much was this?
600 Canadian.
That's not bad.
At all.
That's like
Hey,
500
I was
American.
on the Ruby Cruise.
Yeah.
Wow.
And this was cheaper than the penthouse.
It is cheaper than the penthouse. I'll give you
Full.
that much. Even in Canadian, it was cheaper. Not even with the difference.
Full closet.
You like yours?
And then, real quick, I want to show you my dad's.
See that bathroom?
Oh wow, you have your own like dressing
Yes.
I mean, I like how you have a double in here.
Yep.
Wow, they got a little like walk-in closet in the
Yep.
bathroom.
I like, if you notice, there's a chair under here too, Edie. Like they got their
like a
they got their
vanity?
stuff here, but there's a full chair here to sit here too
Oh,
while you
cool.
change. And then they have the full vanity in here. Absolutely beautiful. And then for the best part, guys, here's the kitchen. Full kitchen. And then
Are you done with your drink?
is there a little bit left in
There's
it?
a sip left in it.
I'll probably top it off just not to waste it. And then right out here, past 50 screens and doors. It'll work. It won't work this time. But you can go out there. You can go out on the balcony and look out.
Let me try it.
Extremely
I wanna go
beautiful.
out there. We want to find something amazing.
What?
I'll show you.
I've seen it before. You guys, it wouldn't work for us, but it might work for you guys. It's an old jail.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, and it's a hostel. It's got a shared bathroom.
And all the cell rooms have,
I think I've never seen it.
Oh, look.
show it for
Glassware.
For the future when you guys, if you travel.
Oh, there's teapots, coffee pots, plates. Wow. I mean, they're absolutely,
Pretty nice.
they're absolutely dirty. I would not use that. That definitely needs to be cleaned, but that's, oh wow, okay.
That makes sense.
Wow. Very homey.
That's the hall.
I did not realize that was up there.
That's awesome.
We didn't do a full run through this time.
Double bed.
Those look nice.
And here's another one.
And there's all glassware up there.
This one looks more like a hotel than the other one. Cafe for breakfast.
That's awesome. You want to go far for coffee?
So, night or night on deck.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Open until 10.
That is so
And there's a
Right.
jacuzzi. too.
Look at this, you have different dog bowls for different sized dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cute.
That's very cute.
That they even have
The
them,
middle dogs
too.
get chips though, there's no water.
It's probably because of the common one they drink from. Oh wow, look at the storm over there.
Oh, this way.
I do want to eat at one of these tables here on the, sit by the street.
Well, I'm not sure when that's gonna happen.
Oh, probably grab something on the way out tomorrow.